How to fix Indeed app not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can fix this problem. First thing you're gonna have to do is go ahead and check if you have a stable enough connection for the app to run smoothly. So just go ahead and do that. Then you can go ahead and open your Play Store and you can just search for the Indeed app, tap on search, and you'll find the Indeed app here. If you see an update button instead of open, just go ahead and do that and update the app to its latest version. Now just long press on the app and go to the app info button or the eye icon. And once you get to app info, go to permissions first. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app to run smoothly. Then you can go directly down to storage and clear cache. Then you can try to clear data. What it does is it will completely refresh the app and make it completely brand new as if you've just reinstalled it. And finally, you can go to battery, make sure it's unrestricted or optimized, and then you can force stop the app also. So if there's anything going on in the background, it's going to stop it and fix the issue. So these are some of the things that you can do to fix the app if it's not working. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.